Power BI on Mac just got better. Good news for Mac users and anyone working in a browser. Semantic model editing in the Power BI service is now generally available, bringing core modeling capabilities straight to the web. Create new semantic models in the web. Connect to 100+ data sources directly in your browser. Go to the Create page, select Get Data, choose your source, configure settings, and select the tables to include. Then pick your next step. Option 1, create a report. Jump right into the familiar report editor and start building visuals, adding filters, and customizing layouts. No desktop app required. Option 2, only create a semantic model. Focus on modeling first. Add relationships, write DAX measures, and configure row-level security before creating reports. Option 3, transform data. Use the modern Power Query editor to shape and transform your data in the browser, then decide whether to create a report or just a semantic model. Edit existing semantic models in the web. Manage relationships. Author DAX. Edit properties. Configure row-level security, and refresh schema and data, all online. Stay tuned to Power BI updates.